Hey friends, welcome. Happy Friday. I hope you have an amazing weekend coming up. I hope you get to do lots of great things or just get some rest that is well deserved and that you need. And also happy National Technology Day. So today is National Technology Day, and a fun fact on that is that over 570 new websites are created every minute. Can you imagine? It's crazy. And technology, it's what allows us to do this, allows us to share crafts and to be friends. And I think it's amazing. Before I show you my little craft for today, it's a small little craft, but I like it. And with it being National Technology Day, I was just thinking, so this with YouTube is so fun for me. So back when I was young, so I joined the Army when I was 17, and I was kind of like off away from my family at a very young age. And as a young adult, and as a married young adult with children, sometimes it's not easy to make friends. And I was working and I was in school and I had my daughter, and I used to watch QVC. So, for a very long time, so 35 years ago, I used to watch QVC. And the thing that I liked about it wasn't buying stuff, because I really didn't have money to buy stuff, but I watched it because it was real people, and it made me feel like I had company. And I used to always think how fun it would be to have that job. And when people would call in, I always realized that there are a lot of people who just needed company. It wasn't just me, and it was real people just talking about just real things as they were trying to sell you products. And I always liked it. And that's what YouTube reminds me of, doing crafts and stuff. I'm not selling stuff, but it just sort of reminds me of the same thing. And it's one of the reasons I like to do it, because it's company. We're real people and getting to be friends, So anyways, I thought that's kind of fun. So my craft today, I was just making some little Valentine Day hair clips. So these are just this whole project was less than 10 minutes. I'm realizing that maybe I should go in and sand my side down a little bit, which I'll do, but that's fine. But these turned out really cute. They're just cute little hair clips, and I bought the pack of them at Hobby Lobby, and then I used some little embellishments that I got from Hobby Lobby. Also some paint, put some glitter and UV resin on them, and made some really cute little fun hair clips for Valentine's Day. Super easy, and of course you can put whatever you want on them, but I just thought it was a fun idea to share. And things like this are fun. If you like to have something to go for different holidays, or just something that you're doing, sporting, whatever, your high school team, your kids team, there's so many different things. And it's fun to just have the idea in mind of different things that you can do. And yeah, so these are fun. So super cute, just little clips for Valentine's Day, and they turned out adorable. So anyways, I will attach the video of doing them, and I hope that you guys have a beautiful weekend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on Monday, friends. Bye. All right, so we are going to make our Valentine hair clips. And I am going to start with these. It's a 6-piece accessories kit. So this came from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember how much it was. I know that it wasn't expensive, but then I also got it on their 50% off time, and I know that because that's what I always do. And I'm going to use this paint here. This is Folk Art Color Shift, and it is from Walmart, and it's a metallic gloss finish in pink. And I've got this honey lavender glitter from Glitter Chip. I've got some little hearts here. These are from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to be using my Resin Rockers UV resin. So I'm going to open these. Pinch myself with them. These are nice, tight, nice, tight alligator clips. So these are nice. So these are also great. Of course, you can use them if you want to put a bow or something like that on them. So I'm going to put them on like this. And I'm going to start with my paint. And for my paint, I like to use these little makeup brushes. I buy, you know, sets that are inexpensive, and especially like after the holidays when they have sets that were already like an inexpensive set, but then they have them on sale. And this isn't going to be like super dark, but I'm going to pack it a little bit. And then once it dries, I'll probably come back and just put a second layer on it. If you hear a lot of noise, not UPS, the other one, FedEx, the FedEx truck. There's a big FedEx truck out front of my house that like it died. So they're trying to get it up and running, it sounds like. All right, I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and put one more coat on it, and then I'll let that dry. It won't take very long, and then we'll come back and we'll put our UV. All right, so now I'm gonna mix up just a little bit. I don't need a lot. Just a tiny bit of UV resin. And I'm going to put some, let me turn it this way, some more glitters in there. Use a toothpick. And then I pulled out, I have some little diamond pieces and then some little hearts. Now I want to, you know, be gentle with this because I don't want it like down the sides and stuff. I don't want it to mess up my clip, but that's also why I have my clip on the paper, so that if anything were to like drip or anything, it's not gonna mess up the opening and closing. Oh, Jesus, with my clip. Now, of course, you can do clips for like anything. I'm doing these for, you know, a specific little holiday. But I want you to see, like, these are so quick. And this is something you could do all different ones and, you know, sell them and whatever. You can make them as simple or as intricate as you want. All right, so now I'm going to put these under for 4 minutes, and then I'll come back and we'll put a top coat on it, and it will be